So let's take a look at this really cool device here that I've got on my desk. So this is a 5-in-1 device here. So it is a natural sound machine, which makes white noise. It is a humidifier. It is an essential oil diffuser. It is this really cool night light here, and is also a Bluetooth speaker. So really, really cool, unique device. So let's see, first off, it's a humidifier. So you can see, add the water here. You can see it coming out here. If you add essential oils, then it'll be an essential oil diffuser as well to give you the nice scent. See, it's a natural sound machine, so you have all these dials here. So you can have all different kinds of natural sounds, and you can mix them together, which is really cool. So if you want, say, bird sounds, the sound of birds with some forest sounds, like some insects, there, you can do that. Or you want some, say, rain, and you mix it up with, well, maybe that's waves. That's really cool. Or some fire sound, some music. So yeah, you can mix it in all different ways. Really cool, unique. You don't have to do one sound. You can mix them all together. Very cool. And then let's see, it also has this night light, which is the spinning disc there, which projects that onto the wall, which is really cool. You can change the color, just like that. You can change the how dim or bright you want it as well. There you go. And then this is the button here that controls the humidifier there. Turn it on off. There's also a timer feature as well. And then the other thing is you can do is Bluetooth. You can make this a Bluetooth speaker, so you can press it once. That'll put it into Bluetooth mode. And then if you go to your phone, you can just start playing music from your phone, just like that. So really, really cool, unique device. Looks super cool because that's the speaker right there. Looks like a little projector. So yeah, if you're looking for something really cool, unique, has a lot of cool features on it, be sure to check this out.